up guys, this is Incognite Samples and today we have a drop from Torren Food More Life. Let's begin. This is 3 layers of brass from different sources, Nexus and different one-shots. Okay, bass synthesis. It's very simple. Squares of 1 need to send to filter 1. Envelope 1 send to filter 1. Then second envelope need to send to oscillator 1 and modulate the pitch. And also send to filter 1. Pitch modulation creates a good attack of our bass. 1 voices, retrig, B-tube and EQ. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. All presets and samples from this video you can download for free from our website. Have a nice day, good luck!